Today, I want to offer my heartfelt thanks to the pretrial, probation, and parole supervision professionals who serve our communities with unwavering dedication. Your work often happens behind the scenes, but its impact is felt everywhere. You help individuals find stability, make better choices, and rebuild their lives. Your commitment to safety, accountability, and second chances is not just a job, it's a service that transforms lives. The long hours, difficult decisions, and emotional weight that you carry do not go unnoticed. You stand at the intersection of hope and responsibility, guiding people towards better futures. Thank you for showing up every day with honor, empathy, accountability, respect, and trust. Our communities are stronger, safer, and more helpful because of you. Thank you.